Hi guys, welcome to Talking Tech with Ocean. Last week, Samsung unveiled their Galaxy A series devices for the year 2022, and these devices were the Galaxy A53 5G as well as the A33 5G. But alongside these devices, Samsung snuck out an announcement for the Galaxy A73 5G. Fortunate as I am, I've had this device for a few weeks now, and these are my thoughts on this device. Let's not waste time. I'm Dessy, and let's meet the Galaxy A73 5G.
I ran up a check, I might do it again.
This device is giving off a premium kind of vibe by just looking at it. A flat design with shrunken bezels around the screen, and there's a hole punch camera centered at the top as well. At the rear, there's a quad camera setup with 3 large lenses and a smaller lens. The camera housing is more of a single island encasing rather than wrapping around the frames, unlike the Galaxy S22 models. This blends rather more seamlessly into the rear of the phone, which happens to be glass-thick. The Galaxy A73 5G is IP67 water and dust resistant and comes in various colors from black, white, and sage. The Samsung Galaxy A73 comes with a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus display, which Samsung calls the Infinity O display, simply for the fact that it houses a hole punch camera on it. It is a flat design with FHD Plus pixel resolution and offers 120Hz refresh rate, which isn't adaptive like the Galaxy S22 devices, so you would have to toggle it on and off. This next part isn't officially confirmed, but it may be running a Snapdragon 750G chipset as a processor. Samsung, however, has only stated it as a quad-core processor, so take this with a grain of salt. It does, however, have a base storage capacity of 128GB with 6GB of RAM and can go as high as 256GB and 8GB of RAM. For the battery, the A73 has a non-removable 5000 mAh battery that can last up to 48 hours on a single charge. I've actually tested this out. You can find a video on that within my short section. With charging, it supports 25 watts fast charging, no wireless charging here, and certainly no reverse wireless charging. But out of the box, it comes pre-installed with One UI 4.1, Android 12 with Samsung Knox protection. As part of Samsung's dedication to its users, it is offering 4 years of software updates as well as 5 years of security updates. And this means that for the A73, it can go as high as getting up to Android 16. So for this, I say thank you, Samsung. Like I stated earlier, the Galaxy A73 comes with a quad camera setup comprising of a 108 megapixel main camera sensor, a 12 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel depth, and a 5 megapixel macro sensor. And on the front, there's a 32 megapixel selfie camera. It's a shame Samsung has replaced the telephoto lens that was previously on the A72 with a depth sensor currently on the A73. But for where something was taken, something much more was equally given, and I thank Samsung for bringing the 108 megapixel camera sensor from the S22 Ultra onto the Galaxy A73, making the Galaxy A73 the first mid-range device from Samsung to have this sensor. This is an unedited sample of the camera quality for video creation, so feel free to be the judge of it, but I think it looks amazing. The Galaxy A73 as a mid-range device is truly impressive, and my continuous usage of it has been as smooth as I expected. Being the highest end mid-range device Samsung has to offer today, it certainly checks importance list in my book. Great camera to create amazing content with, a beautiful display to immerse you into the content you view, and a battery life that lasts you for days. It only gets better from here. If you have questions on this device, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below or shoot me a DM on my socials at Dessy_Ocean, and I'll gladly answer them. I'd also appreciate if you leave a like on this video as well as subscribing to the channel. I am Dessy, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.